There are several reasons you should consider refreshing your existing 8-socket servers. These include server consolidation, productivity gains, operating system advancements, lower maintenance and warranty costs, power and cooling savings, and business operations improvements. By replacing older 8-socket servers with the Lenovo SR950 server, companies can significantly reduce operating costs, increase agility, improve efficiency, and reduce data center space with a payback in less than 12 months and reduce operating costs by 70% or more. Our case study shows that customers can save 71% over 4 years by migrating its mission-critical applications from 10 HP DL980 servers to 2 ThinkSystem SR950 servers. The savings are generated by reduced server maintenance, software maintenance, network expense, and power and facility savings. For more information, go to lenovopress.com and read the article I posted on the value of refreshing your 8-socket server, as well as read the SR950 product guide and other content.